Today's one is called regret, and we have all had it. And the reason why I'm speaking about that this evening is because when I was driving along today, I actually started regretting some of the decisions I've made over this year and over the past years, and I started stacking things up. We've all made decisions, or we've all did things that we regret as time went on. Relationships didn't work out, and we regret how they ended. We regret what we did or what we didn't do to fix it. Our situation, we may have thought we'd be further on in life than what we are. We may have regret financial decisions, investments, and things like this here, and life and money, and we may regret a whole load of things. But what you do, actually had to pull over to the side of the road and stop thinking of regret, because what you do when you start regretting things is, first of all, you start stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking things that you go over and over in your head. Oh, if I had done this, this would have happened. If I hadn't made that decision, that wouldn't have happened. And that is living in the past. And that's comparing yourself, and you start comparing yourself to other people, what they did, how they were successful, and what happened to them. And you start stacking it all up, and it comes all consuming. And before you know it, you don't know where you are, and your head's all over the place, and you start to regret these things. But this is what I did today. I pulled over the side of the road, and it just says stop. Stop regretting those things. Stop feeding them. Stop giving them time. And turn the page. That's the first thing I did, was say to myself, stop. Stop doing this, Stephen. And then turn the page. Give yourself some grace, because we've all made mistakes in life. We've all had regrets, but don't beat ourselves up about it. And then the third and final one is, what did I learn from that situation? What did I learn from that relationship? What did I learn from that bad decision? What did I learn by doing that? And make sure that it doesn't happen again. And then that will help reduce your regrets. And just remember, we all know what it is, and we all know where it's coming. Try and impact someone's ripple, one small stepping stone at a time, and try and don't feed your regret. Don't feed your regret. We've all made mistakes. Give yourself a bit of grace. Stop yourself from regretting, because you're living in the past. We've all made mistakes. Turn the page. What have you learned from it? And move on. Keep yourself safe and look after your loved ones. And I'll speak to you all tomorrow.